Sa wakas! Coach, walang laro sa mga tournament sila. Wala nga, pero may parating na tournament. Uy! Si Simon Williams, Grandmaster Simon Williams ang kalaban natin. Ayun, malakas to. Sikat to na commentator sa chess.com, sa chess24. Ginger GM. Ayan, maganda to, maganda. Let's see. Mahilig din mag-sacrifice to, pareho kami ng playing style eh. Yung kanya nga lang panalo, sa akin talo. Pag nisa-sacrifice. Pero tingnan natin ngayon, baka gumana yung mga sacrifice natin. Ehem. Ay putik, H3 pala dapat yun ah. Yun lang, nagkamali ako guys. Kamali tayo. Iwas nga ako sa pin. I want to do this eh. Pero kailangan ko muna ito i-atras, no? Tapos muna natin. Pwede na ako gumanon din. Alisin muna natin siya. Ay, putik. Kaya, may ganito pala, oh. Mali. Bayan, Daniel. Nasisimplify po kasi. Ang problema ko kasi 1 pawn down ako. So, sa mga ganitong position, you shouldn't simplify. May English ako. Hindi mo dapat sinisimplify ito. Dapat dito, the more pieces on the board, the better. Ganun yung mga ganitong position eh. Gusto niya tulakan eh, pero we'll try to complicate things. Pwede ba ako depensa na doon? Okay, depensa. Nag-iisip po ako ng malalang tira eh. Pwede gusto ko mag-knight D5 eh. O hindi kagana. Or bishop D5. Ayan. Sige. Pag queenin ko dito, may check siya. May check siya, ano? Dito, check siya. Kiking movean ko. Sige dito. Talo ah. May check siya eh. Queen B6. Yan, chinek. Teka lang, buhay pa tayo guys. We're still alive since we Aztec. So yun na yun po na yan. Mamating kita eh. Pensa. Nabuhay pa tayo guys. We're still fighting. Kanina completely losing. Ngayon, losing na lang. Nabuhay pa eh. Buhay pa tayo. Lumalaban pa. Putik, baka manalo pa. Promise. Hirap ng posisyon nyo. Depensa natin yung po natin. Wala siyang magawa dyan. Gagi. Putik! Ay! Hindi gumana yung capture ko! Ah! Nakakainis! Visit na yun. Kainis. Ang ganda na nagawa eh, no? Talo pa sa down. Kainis! Sobrang nakakainis. Nakakainis. Nakakainis yan. Okay. Nanggigigil ako. Kainis. Hindi maganda to. Hindi maganda to, guys. Gutom kasi ito eh. Dapat kinakain mo na to, Daniel eh. Dapat kinakain mo na. Kain mo na kasi yan, Daniel. Basta ba't di ka pa kumakain eh. Ay, ba yan? Mouse sleep ako dito. Anong gagawin yan dyan? Abnormal ka ba, Daniel? Ba't dyan mo yan nilagay? Abnormal ka ba? Abnormal ka ba? Ba't naiisip mo pa yung mga ganun tira? Ay, nako, Daniel. Ay, nako, Daniel. Gagi. Pag gumanito ako, check dito, check eh. Sa basado to. Kinain pala niya. Kasi dako nandito to, hindi mangyayari yan eh. Pwede ako mag-bishop move eh, no? Pangit ang pagkatalo natin ng sobrang mouse slip na matindi. Parang tanga lang. Parang tanga mouse slip nangyari sa atin eh. Nakakainis kasi yung huling laban eh. Winning na yun eh. Di bale, game. Babawi tayo.
It takes so long for it to be finished.
Wait, anak.
One more game?
Yeah?
Okay.
Capture. Bishop, capture siya. Bishop takes. Sige! Sacrifice tayo dyan. Putik.
Daddy.
Yes, anak.
Why don't you capture his night? Daddy, why don't you capture that?
So I'll capture that later.
Daddy, this fell. Can I drink it still?
Kulong yung naite.
Daddy, I still can't drink it.
Naparesign siya, guys. Lupit na sacrifice natin na yun. Naparesign siya. Hindi ko alam ba't siya nag-resign, pero game. Oh, puro sacrifice gawin natin sa kanya. Oh, sacrifice tayo lahat. Oh, sacrifice tayo lahat.
Daddy, you said last game.
Last game. After 10 more. Last game after 10 more. Eh.
With the computer.
You wanna use a computer? Why?
I wanna play in the computer.
Bakit ganun? Pag chumek ako dito, parang siya. Capture ako. Bishop siya doon. Ayan na. Check. Sige.
F4, E5, E5, D5,
Yep. Di ba? Pwede.
D3, G3.
Depends. Move, anak. Move.
Then why are you not letting me? Then why are you taking so long? Because I wanna use the computer. Then you will capture your result. If you do it, you won't have it back. Oh, I thought.
Teka lang, anak, ha. Huwag mo akong guluhin, ha. Don't disturb daddy.
The piece.
Eh, anak, go.
Daddy, your phone is 19%, okay?
Okay.
I charge it. What family are we in?
What's your question, anak?
What's the family what are we on in?
What do you mean?
The family what are we in?
What's your question? I don't understand.
It means if
What family are we in?
yeah.
We're the Kauso Handsome family. Tawa ka dyan.
But we're the chess family. Can
Yeah.
we play chess?
Yes, I said Kauso Handsome family. We're chess family. We play chess, anak.
Then does that mean chess family?
Yeah, we're chess family.
Our family.
Our family.
The mommy's channel.
Yeah.
You changed it.
No, wait. Anak, I need to win this.
That you say you like Lucy.
Oh, capture to.
Daddy, I thought you said you like Lucy more than me.
I mean, I don't like losing, but
You hate Lucy. Why?
because if you take it back, then yeah,
What you take this?
he'll take this night. Yeah. Okay, magulo anak. GM kalabang ko eh. Inugulo niyo ako eh. Yan, yari na tayo.
Be quiet. You be quiet.
Be quiet. Pwede pala yun, no?
Daddy, how to be a
Check.
GM?
Huh?
How to be a GM?
How to be a GM?
Yeah.
I don't know exactly, but you need to be very good. You know, that is handsome, but not good, right? So I cannot become a GM. The heck?
Why?
That was a good one.
Oh, he's trying to double.
Yeah. It's trying to double attack daddy. I have to go here.
Aren't you double check, huh?
Yeah, he wants to double attack daddy, but I want to double checkmate him.
Double check.
Is there a way to double
Yeah, double
checkmate?
checkmate.
I don't know. I'm just.
Oh, it's like a two checkmate.
Yeah,
Mm-mm.
capture. If I check, he will take, right?
How?
Check.
Oh.
He will take, and there's a knight here. Oh my god, I made a mistake.
Take back.
He will take with the knight. Yeah.
But you can take him also.
But I'll checkmate.
How? He will checkmate you?
Yeah,
How?
here.
Which one? Oh, the one in top. He did not move quickly. Move fast.
Ah, checkmate here. Ah,
But,
nakita ko na yun eh. I should have taken the knight instead.
oh, but it's your opponent.
He's a grandmaster. He's a popular grandmaster right now.
He's a popular.
Yeah,
He have YouTube channel.
kinda. Yeah.
Or it's a different. Or he has like a channel. Knock back, back. Once upon a time, there's a
What flag is that?
England,
named
United Kingdom. No,
Mr. Buddha.
He's
His name is
English.
Mr.
No, yes, it's
Buddha 'cause he
English.
speaks Mr. Buddha.
Yeah, Daddy.
Not that you, okay? Please.
Not me.
he will capture here. I don't know. Maybe.
What happened?
You need to focus because you're not even doing your homework.
Sabi na ako, I need to focus daw.
You need Daddy to vote. Daddy needs to win. Look, he only have 1 point and
Yeah, I'm getting wrecked, anak. So, I need to win.
why you need
Kain pala yun, putik talaga, oh. Ba yan? Parang bulag ako, ah.
if you win?
Capture
What
the
happened
night.
I'm hungry na.
Capture the night.
Ayan, natipensa niya tuloy.
We
I'm hungry.
will
That is hungry.
we'll watch and cookie. We will be the roction. We
Ah! Ano ba yun? Grabe mga tira ko. Ang papasive. This is my threat pero may knight f6. Oh my gosh. Ang dami ko nami-miss eh. Dati,
You're missing so much, you said.
yeah. Except my ex. I don't miss my ex, anak.
why you don't
that?
miss your
Who's that?
and why you don't miss your
What's
ex?
that?
I don't miss my ex.
I mean, what's that? Not who's that?
Ex. Mommy knows my ex.
What's that? Don't like your ex.
Yeah. Ex. Ex mean ex. Ex mate.
What's X mean?
Ex mean X-Men.
What's that?
Monkey, watching, picky, kitty, Jude.
Jude.
Can we see something?
I see a computer.
Hello?
Hello.
We would like to have
Wait.
some fun.
Did he
The
just
best
let
title.
me?
Let me
Let
watch.
me attack you.
What's that?
Hey! Oh. Checkmate.
Dad.
Wait. Daddy will sacrifice. Be quiet. That is good with sacrificing anything.
How?
Yeah,
Daddy,
like
check
that one. What do you mean
in.
how?
Check in.
No, like sacrificing like how?
There, I sacrificed the bishop, right?
What happened if he capture?
Then I'm dead. I'm losing. Yeah.
Why he
But it's okay. It's all part of the plan.
What with this?
Look. What will
Always.
happen next, huh? Check.
their checkmate?
Are you checkmate?
Here.
Oh, I thought that was a knight.
Bitch.
They're gonna promote.
Yeah, we'll promote
To a queen?
to a queen.
Or
And
he
then
will
we
capture it. If he capture it, Why don't you capture it?
I don't know if what I'm doing is right, anak. I'm just making a move.
Okay.
Alright.
I don't know why you're doing it right.
This. Do he have your queen? Then there's the queen. Look at his points. He captured Daddy's queen. Then where's the queen? You almost break my ear.
Sorry, because I did a lot of nice sacrifice, anak, and then I get a mate. See what?
Daddy,
Did you see that, guys?
I wanna use it.
Oh my gosh.
I know.
It will take so long. I wanna use.
I will bring it out this time. Last time I didn't bring it
Daddy,
out.
can you do
What are
last
you
game?
The bishop.
Daddy, can you do this one? Is the
You have to
last
play
game.
the other computer.
Okay.
Let's go. Hey, why don't you bring it in?
What? Ay, ganun. Puti ka. Salo kasi may ganun eh. Gusto ko sana mag-effort kaya lang may D4. And D4 is quite annoying, my friend. So I'll just give it back. Sa'yo na yan. Yeah. I'll put pressure in this pawn. Casting muna ako before I do anything else. The knight siya dun. Sige, kailangan ko itong gawin to force the knight.
It's right here.
And we'll work it out from here. Okay. Guys, I'm going to sacrifice again. I'm going to sacrifice again. Oh la la. Mamacita, baby, baby. Da-na-na, da-na-na, na-na-na. Lapit na sacrifice ka doon. Ang lapit-lapit. Ang lapit-lapit. Grabe ah. Galing ko. Nag-resign po siya kasi mate. Kasi pag hinarang niya yan, kakainin ko lang na gano'n and then mate. Grabe. 3-all. Minalas pa ako ng mga unang game pero okay lang. So it's not bad. Not bad. Thank you so much kay Grandmaster Simon Williams. Yeah, that's Grandmaster Simon Williams. Ayan o. Si Simon Williams yan. Lagi pala kami naglalaro. Lamang siya sa akin ng 2 points. Top vlogger o. Ayan o. Top vlogger siya ng chess.com. Streamer. Naka-stream siya ngayon. Hindi ko sure. Baka naka-stream siya ngayon. Anyway, thank you so much. Hanggang dito na lang kasi I need to go. Thank you so much, Grandmaster Simon Williams. Nice playing with you. Okay po. Maraming salamat. God bless. Thank you. Bye-bye.